The bulls are going to be on the Powerline genetic sale on November 22nd at Lynchburg, coming off Crestwell Farms. All these bulls have passed a breeding sinus exam. They will be sold on that Friday night at Lynchburg on January 22nd. Most of these bulls are half-blood bulls, half Simmental, half Angus. There will be just a few straight Angus bulls and a few straight Simmental bulls. But just an excellent set, a fancy set of bulls to be sold. All have passed the breeding sinus exam. These bulls have the performance, all the data behind them. Will do an excellent breeding job for a commercial cow man. As you see, the docility on these bulls are excellent. They're very calm. Again, most of these bulls will be half Simmental, half Angus. Everything sold will have to pass a breeding and soundness exam. Have that carcass data on them. But just a great set of bulls to be sold for Powerline Genetics, November 22nd in Lynchburg. Great set of disposition, very calm. These bulls were hand-picked through several bulls to get down to these. This will be the #1 bull sold here on the catalog. He'll be sold first, half Angus Simmental. Be just a great bull to start to sell off with. We'll have hauling available coming back to North Carolina if anybody needs any bulls hauled back. This is the #1 bull sold here at first. He represents a lot of the bulls being sold. This is going to be one of the purebred Angus bulls on the sale. Just a real fancy purebred Angus to be sold. Here's a typical Angus Simmental bull coming from Mathis Farms, be in the Powerline genetic sale. All these bulls you see here will be in the sale. Just a fancy set of bulls. All the bulls be black. There will be a few white face, place face. These bulls are developed on grass. Also, they get a little feed. These bulls will be ready to go to work. All again have passed a breeding and sounds exam. It's a real fancy set of breeding bulls, can go anywhere in the country.